So I just wanted to show this on the Honda. I'm getting ready to change the engine oil because it smells like there's a lot of gas in it and stuff, and it's probably more than due. But look there, it's almost like rounded off already. I don't know if that's from somebody trying to loosen it or tightening it. So what do you think? What kind of day do you think I'm going to have with that? Oh, I'm crossing my fingers. Just like I figured. Wow. Well, couldn't get enough torque on it with that, so I guess we just go bigger and we hope. Okay, not as bad as I thought. Just need to get a little more leverage on it. Looks like we'll be okay. Mike the Disgruntled Mechanic back. We're back with the Honda again, and we got the distributor cap installed. There's new plugs, and we did an oil change. So we're just getting ready to start it up here for the first time. I didn't change the wires. Like I said, plugs, cap, rotor. And it was just a matter of putting the 3 bolts back in, so I didn't even show that, just putting the rotor and the cap on. So let's fire it up and see what happens. I got to reconnect my battery cable, then we'll fire it up. Now I didn't hook the air cleaner and all that stuff back up just in case I have to get in here, but this was just to try and start it, so let's see what happens. We'll open the door up and let it run a little while. I would say we made progress. It certainly sounds a lot better than what it did. I can't take it out right now on the road. Well, number one, it's not inspected, licensed, or anything. But even to test it, because I have a hood latch cable that's bad that needs replaced. So that'll probably be in a video. And then we'll try and get it out on the road. I just wanted to see how much this would help, and it certainly did make a difference. So this is Mike the Disgruntled Mechanic. Just saying, remember, if you can get somebody else to do it, you're probably better off. Thanks for watching. See you next time.
Oh, you dirty, rotten bull! How could you break off? You dirty, rotten mother! Oh, dirty, rotten! How dare you break? Oh, I can't believe it broke off! Not again! Oh, man alive! Son of a... Oh, I can't believe it broke off! Jesus! No wonder I'm the disgruntled mechanic!